Okay. So direction test, you may be knowing what are the directions. I start from center. I just draw a line like this. You know, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, this is northwest. Okay. Now, so taking these directions into consideration, you have to solve some questions. Okay. So this chapter of direction test is a reasoning topic, and the questions would be given to you accordingly, and you need to find as per the question, as per the data, which direction they are asking, you should show that direction. Fine. So they will be giving you data, go through the data and identify at the end what direction they are asking. Fine. So let's see the first question. So a man is facing west. He turns 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. And then another 180 degrees in the same direction. And then 270 degrees in the anti-clockwise direction. You should know if a person is here, if he is going this direction rightwards, it is clockwise. If he is going this direction, this is anti-clockwise. Full stop. Which direction is he facing now? Option A, south. Option B, northwest. Option C, west. Option D, southwest. Come on. So how to do this question? Let's see. See, a man is facing west. So here, if I take here, this is the position of the man right now. He is he is facing what? West. This is the west direction. He is just facing. He is not moving. He is facing. Okay. Then what happens is he turns 45 degrees clockwise. So this is 90 degrees, correct? All of you agree?
Yes, sir.
If this is 90 degrees, 45 degrees would be half of this. So he has turned 45 degrees clockwise. Clockwise, see, he is going right ways. Okay. Then again, another 180 degrees in the same direction. So this would be 45. And again, this would be 45. Again, this would again be 45. So 45, 45, 45 is 135. Again 45, 180 degrees. Correct or wrong? All of you please tell me. Yes? Now what happens? Then he makes a turn, and what they are saying is, then 270 degrees anti-clockwise direction. So he is going 270 from this point. He is going 270 degrees anti-clockwise. So I'll take from here 45, 45, 90, 45, 45, 90. This is 180, 45, 45, 90. So 93 is at 270. So he has gone 270 anti-clockwise, correct? They're asking you which direction is he facing now. So which direction he is right now? Please tell me.
Southwest.
Southwest direction. That's it. Okay. So the answer would be southwest direction. Option number D. Okay. All of you just make a note of this. So this is 45. This is 180. This angle here I just put this 180, and then again this one 270. Okay, let's do the next question. Come on, just tell me this. Just try to solve this question, all of you. If you are facing northeast and move 10 meters forward, turn left and move 7.5 meters, then you are dash north of your initial position, south of your initial position, both C and D. In fact, D I have not given right now. 12-meter from your initial position. Just solve this and tell me what is your opinion, then I'll solve. Don't worry about this. Come on, start.
North of your initial position, sir.
North of your initial position. See, if you are facing northwest, this is the point you are, and this is like center point. So northeast, So northeast would be this, because north is this and east is this. Okay. And then what happened? You're not only spacing, but you move 10 meters forward, it seems. Then turn left and move 7.5. From here again, this is right, this is left. You turn left and moved 7.5, it seems. So definitely you are where? North, na? North of your initial position, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do the third question, come on. All of you, please just look at this. We'll go for the next question. Okay, next. Now, just do this. Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. Stop. She then turned to the left and walking for about 25 meters turned left So Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. Then she turned to the left and walking for about 25 meters turned left. Okay. Again, and walked 80 meters. So Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards the north. She then turned to the left and walking for about 25 meters turned left again and walked 80 meters. Full stop. Finally, she turned to the right at an angle of 45 degrees. Full stop. In which direction was she moving finally? Northeast, northwest, south, southeast, southwest. Come on, try this. Yes.
Sir, northwest.
What?
Sir, B, northwest.
Northwest.
Southwest, sir.
Northwest is wrong.
Southwest.
Southwest.
Southwest is all right. Who got southwest? Yes,
Jeevan.
Jeevana, you got next. Yes, whoever got
Sir,
southwest.
sir, I got northwest. Sorry, sir.
Ah, no problem, no problem. See, nothing to be sorry about. Just southwest किसको किसको आया? Who got southwest as answer?
Me, sir.
Yes, what about you, Kalyan? Hello.
Northwest.
Yes, Kalyan, what about you? What answer you got?
Northwest.
Northwest. Okay, that's wrong. And Habiba, what did you get?
Southwest, sir.
Southwest. Okay, let's do this. See, just follow. See, Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters towards north. So Deepa is here. She is moving 75 meters towards north. Correct? She then turned to the left. So this is like if she is moving north, this is right and this is left. Correct? Correct or wrong? So she is going left and left. So Deepa moved a distance of 75 meters north. She has moved 75 meters north.
25 meters.
Then she turned to left and walking about 25 meters. Okay, walking about 25 meters. Turned left again and walked 80 meters. So this is right, this is right, this is left. So she has again turned left and went 80 meters. So
South.
80 meters would be just somewhat
Good.
farther than this. Correct? Now what has happened? Finally, just a second. Finally, she turned to the right at an angle of 45 degrees. Now, she will take a right turn and she'll just make a right turn and she'll make a 45 degrees angle. So, if I take an imaginary line here, this is 45 degrees she'll make. Okay, half of 90. So, in which direction was she moving finally? So, if this point she started, the center point, this is north, this is east, this is west, this is correct? Southwest. All of you make a note of this, then I'll give you two questions. Good questions. Try to solve them. Okay? Now, start trying. Come on, do these questions. Come on.
Sir,
Yeah.
for first one, none of this is the answer, sir.
None of these.
Because P is in southwest of Y.
Because
P is in the southwest of Y, sir. None of this is the answer.
okay, fine, good. Okay, just we'll see whether it is correct or wrong. Others
Okay,
also
sir.
are like doing, so you can also give me your answer. Go to the next one. Just do it. I'll be back in a minute. Yeah. What is the answer? Yes, anyone? Okay, let's do the first question. Then we'll go for this next one. See, just follow. See, let's do the first one. Okay. See, y is in the east of x. So if I take x here, this is the first one. Okay. So I'm doing the first one right now here. So y is in the east of x. So if I take x here, y would be here, correct? Because y is in the east of x, which is in the north of z. Okay. So one more twist in the tail is, if p is in the south of z, that means if I take z here, p is in the what? South of z, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what is that they said? Y is in the east of x, which is north of z. So x is what? North of z, correct or wrong? Correct. And p is in the south of z. Now, then in which direction is y? Then in which direction of y is p? Which direction of y is p? So if I take this as center, and this like y is in the east of x, okay. So if they are asking me in which direction of y is p, so if y is seeing here, it is north, seeing towards x, it is west, this is east, this is south, this is what? Southwest, correct or wrong?
Southwest.
Yes, but did they give southwest option? No. So answer is none. See, if anyone has a doubt, they can ask me, they can raise the doubt. I am ready to explain once again. Anyone did not get this, please tell me. Hello? All of you, you got it or not? Confirm.
Yes, sir.
Arsh, समझ में आया? Habiba, did you
Yes, sir.
understand? Habiba, did you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, and Kalyan, yourself?
Yes, sir.
Understood na? Pakka?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's nothing. You can ask me. If any doubt, you can ask me. Let's go for the next question. See, if southeast becomes, so let's first draw a diagram of directions. Okay, this is the center, this is north, this is south, this is east, this is west, this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest. Okay, Dhanush, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Now what is happening, see what they are saying is, they are saying if southeast becomes north, so this has to become north, so we will draw a fresh diagram. Okay, we already know the diagram shape is this, and we'll try to frame. So they are saying southeast becomes north, so I am writing north here, and what they are saying, northeast becomes west, so northeast is west now, correct? So if these two are changing, so we need to see others also. If this is north, this will be, please tell me, if this is north, this would be what? South or not? See, they have said if southeast becomes north, so southeast has changed to north, I changed, and northeast becomes west, northeast I have changed to west. So if, and so on, and so on, in the sense I don't know, other things are also changing. Okay, so other things would change accordingly na. If this is north, this will be south. If this is west, this will be correct
East.
or wrong? Yeah, east. And then what happens between north and east? What do you see? Northeast. Between west and north, what do you see? Northwest. Between, yes, hello, yes, any doubts? Hello, yeah. See, then between south and east, what do you see? Southeast. Between south and west, what do you see? Southwest. Now answer the question.
Southwest.
Yeah, now answer the question. What are they asking? If southeast becomes north, northeast becomes west, and so on, what will be the west? What will west become? So what has west become?
Southeast.
Yes. So all of you, please note, make a note of this and be ready for next two questions. Okay, next question. Please give an answer for this. I'm not getting answers from anyone except Jivana. Kalyan, you have to give answers. I'm waiting for your answers. Come on, solve this. Yes.
Sir, D.
Sir, is 5 kilometers northeast is the answer?
What's 5 kilometers?
Northeast, option D.
Northeast.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, you are getting this. Others, what did you get?
Sir, same.
Huh?
Yes, sir. D.
Sir.
Option D, 5 kilometer northeast.
Yeah, this is Habiba. Next, another one. Who is that saying?
Sir, me, sir. Harsh, 5 kilometer northeast.
Arsh, what is the answer?
Sir, D. Option D.
D. Okay, and Kalyan, what is the answer?
D.
D. Okay, let's do this. So Kunal walks 10 kilometers north, okay? From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south again. Okay, let us take 6 kilometers. This is like the leftover 4 kilometers. Then he walks 3 kilometers east. This is east towards south. So Kunal walks 10 kilometers north. From there he walks 6 kilometers towards south, and then he takes 3 kilometers towards east. Correct? So how far and in which direction is he with reference to starting point? So here to here you need to find. The only trick what you need to see here is Pythagoras theorem. They are asking the distance. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus height square, correct? So root 25 is what? 5. And which direction it is? Northeast from here. Okay, now let's see what you'll do for the next two questions. Okay, do this.
The first one, southwest.
Southwest is the answer, sir.
Yeah.
Southwest is the answer, sir.
What?
Southwest is the
South.
answer for first one.
Just a second. Yeah, first one you are saying
Southwest.
southwest.
Sir, second one also I think southwest.
I think southeast.
Okay, second one also
What
southwest.
second one
Huh?
Yes,
west
sir.
is the answer, sir.
Second one. Okay, let me give the options. I didn't give the options, no? Okay, let me give the
Yeah,
options.
yes.
Now you tell.
West is my answer, sir.
So your answer is west.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, okay.
Mine is southeast. Sir.
Yeah, who's that?
Me, sir.
Who?
Dhanush,
Dhanush. Yes, Dhanush. What is your answer?
southeast.
Just a second, just a second. Let it come. Don't know where I lost this. Man, where is this? Okay, okay. We lost the questions. So let me do this. These two questions. Okay, you have the questions now. I'm doing the answers. See, a man walks 5 kilometers towards south. He's walking towards south, and then turns to the right. So if he walks south, this is left. This is right. After walking,
Okay.
so he has taken a right turn, and definitely then he would walk 3 kilometers because he has taken a right turn. He's just turned right, but he'll walk 3 kilometers. He turns to left and walks 5. So this is right, this is left, and he turns to left and walks 5. Now in which direction he is from the starting point? He started from here, correct? And you see this is the center point, this is the east, this is the west, this is the southwest, correct? And the second question, Rahul has put the timepiece on the table on such a way that at 6 p.m. So let us take a timepiece. So you know, generally 6 p.m. is this. At 6 p.m. the hour hand would be with 6 and the minute hand, which is a bigger hand, would be with 12, correct? This is the actual thing on a normal clock. Like generally we know that, but he has put it in such a way that 6 p.m. hour hand points to north. Generally 6 p.m. hour hand has to be on south and the minute hand should be on the north. But what has happened is he placed it, that means he placed it in inverted way. So that 6 is appearing here and 12 is appearing here and the things are changing to different directions. See, so what happens, hour hand is here, minute hand is here, and the things are like south north in this way. Okay, now so Rahul has put his timepiece on the table in such a way, so it is inverted timepiece now. That at 6 p.m. our hand points to north. That was okay. So this is what our hand points to north at 6 p.m. In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15 p.m. So now from here, if this is 3, this is 9. So it has to be 9:15, correct? Correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So what direction it would go? In which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15 p.m.?
West.
No.
West
See,
direction.
actually this should be in this way, but it is an inverted clock. So it will, what will happen here? You will see 3,
Yes.
and here you will see 9. Understood? It's an inverted clock. So 3 will become 9 and 9 will become 3. And where would this go? The minute hand would be here. Okay. They're asking 9:15 p.m. So this is like, and this would be your R hand because it will move in this way. So where is the minute hand now?
West,
Which
sir.
direction? Huh?
West.
West direction. Okay. So if it has to be 9, so see the clock would move in this way. It cannot move inverted. It will move this way. It will come here and the minute hand will go there. Okay. Anyone has got any doubts?
No, sir.
Kalyan, did you understand?
Yes.
Kalyan, did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
What did you understand? Can you explain me? Yes. Hello. See, actually this 6 p.m. if it is a normal clock, 6, the hour hand which is on 6 should be in south and the 12, the minute hand which is on 12 should be in north. But it's an inverted clock. Okay. 6 has gone up and 12 has come down. So now they're asking you what will be the time at 9:15. So what would happen? The hour hand has to move 45 this thing here, correct or wrong? And the minute hand has to move here, correct or wrong? That means actually here 3 should be there and 9 should be here. But since it's an inverted clock, what has happened? It's an inverted clock, na? Six and 9. Just a second. 6 and 12. This is in the north and it is an inverted clock. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Just a second. The question is not on the board, so I'm not able to see this. Okay. So the question is with me now. Yeah. Actually, Rahul puts his timepiece on table in such a way that 6 p.m. our hand points to north. Yeah, that is all right. 6 p.m. Okay, 6 p.m. our hand points to north. This is what? And the minute hand would be here. Normally this is the normal clock. This is the inverted clock. Okay. So in which direction the minute hand will point at 9:15 p.m. So generally 3 and 9. Okay. So if it would move here, it would move here. It will be in west only. Correct. 9. What are they speaking about? 9:15. Yeah, correct. 9:15. Okay. So this will be in the west direction. Now next one. Just do the next one. Next question. Okay. So inverted timepiece now. Three would be here, 9 would be here. Okay, because it's a north direction. Because if the clock has gone this way, so this 6 has come here, so 9 would come here and 3 would go there. Okay, this is absolutely fine now. Now 9:15 is in the west direction. Okay, because 15 minutes is nothing but from 12 to 3. So here 15 minutes, the minute hand should be here and the hour hand should be here if it has to be 9:15, because it's an inverted clock. So west direction. Take the next question. Next one. This is a very good question. Try to solve this. Some boys are sitting in 3 rows. All facing north, such that A is in the middle row, P is just to the right of A, but in the same row Q is just behind of P, while R is in the north of A. In which direction of R is Q? Come on, do this question. Try this.
Southeast, sir.
Yeah,
Southeast.
southeast.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good.
My answer is also southeast, sir.
Southeast. Okay. Other people? Yes, others. What's the answer?
Southeast, sir. D.
D. Okay. Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Southeast.
Southeast?
Yes.
Who is this, Dhanush or Kalyan?
Dhanush, sir.
Huh?
Dhanush. Me.
What about you, Kalyan? I'm waiting for your answer. What is the answer for this? See, some boys are sitting in 3 rows. So this is the row number 1. This is the row number 2. This is a row number 3. All facing north. So everyone is facing north. Okay, that's okay. Like we know this north direction. Such that A is in the middle row. So if I write A here, that would be fine. P is just to the right of A. So here is P. But in the same row, okay? So this is what in the second row. Second row, okay? The same row, okay, fine. Q is just behind of P. So Q is just behind of P, correct? While R is in the north of A. In which direction of R is Q? So what direction of R is Q?
Southeast.
Yes. So this is what Q is here, okay? So is he southeast? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now take one last question, all of you, and solve it. Do this. Yes. What's the answer?
B, sir, east.
East. Okay, good. See, a river flows from west to east, correct? So if I take west here, this is the center. This is the center. Okay, this is the west. Fine, I'll take it this side. Okay, west. So a river flows from west to east. This is the west side, east side. Fine. And on the way, turns left So what is happening? It is turning left. This is east side. I'm not saying this is the end point. This is the east side. Okay, I'll just not write. From west to river is flowing the west. Okay, river is flowing from west direction to east direction, and on the way it turns left. So this is the right and this is the left, and goes in a semicircle round a hillock. Fine. There's a hill and it took a semicircle, and then turns left. This is the right direction. This is the left direction at right angles. Okay. So in which direction is the river finally flowing? Which direction? Please tell me.
East.
East. Okay. Now the last question of the day, and then I'll give you worksheets. Please solve all the questions. All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Come on, do this.
Sir, north is my answer.
Your answer is northeast.
No, sir, north.
Your
Option B.
answer is north. Okay, okay. Let's see. Your answer is north. Fine.
Sir, option D, west.
Huh?
Option D, west.
West. Okay, let us keep it. Others. Yes, we have got two answers. Now others, what is the answer?
North.
North. Who is this? Huh?
Hello.
Kalyan. Okay, North. Yes, Dhanush.
Sir, north, sir.
North. Okay. Others? Harsh?
Sir, north.
Arre wah. Everyone is in North. Fine. Now you should guide me how to do this. I don't know. Tell me how to do. See, tell me, Jivana, you please tell me how to do this question. So I will make a circular field. Fine. Chalo.
Yeah, sir.
So what should I do now? I am at the center. Fine.
Yes.
Now what is happening? I go down south. Am I doing the same
South.
thing? Please tell me.
Yes, sir. Keep point A, sir.
Okay, I shall keep point A. Okay.
Yeah.
So I go down south to the edge of the field, and then what I'm supposed to do? This is right. This is left. I should take left turn. Correct?
Yeah, sir.
And I'm just walking on the boundary. Where should I go now? Here, here. Where?
Sir, center, sir.
No, I'm at the
Sir,
center.
wait, northeast. Northeast.
Your answer is northeast.
No, sir, my answer is not.
Acha, I should go northeast. Okay, see, okay.
Yeah,
See, I'm
yeah.
doing the same thing. See, I go down south to the edge of the field and then turning left. I walk along the boundary of the field equal to 3/8 of the length. So if I say 3/8 is nothing but 37.5% of this area I should cover. So can I take myself here?
Yeah, sir. B.
So if it is 37.5, roughly 40%, this is 60%. Correct. Now, then I turn west and go right across to the opposite point on the boundary. So from here I would take exactly here, na?
Yeah, sir.
So now you tell me, what is this direction?
Southwest.
Then what did you get?
West.
You got north.
North.
Okay. So the answer is, and this north is a wrong one. Okay. All of you note it down. West is nothing but the option. He is exactly going to the opposite point from here. All of you finished?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, then others, I am just going to send you the worksheets. I'm going to send you the B exercise, Jivana, and all of you others. Try those questions. Those are not easy ones. Those are very tough questions. Better if you solve those questions, you will be getting very good grip. Okay. So I'm sending
Okay,
those
sir.
questions to you right now. There are some clocks and all. To Jivana, I'm sending you the B question, B set, and others,
Okay,
I'm
sir.
sending you A as well as B set, because you need to do basics as well as good questions. Okay. Chalo. Bye bye. And tomorrow, same time, if I can take a class in afternoon 1 hour, for example, I'll inform you in the beginning so that we can take 2 topics in a day tomorrow. Okay. Like afternoon
sir.
reasoning and evening fonts. चलो okay, bye bye all of you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.